What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can reset the password of your KeyBank's online banking account. Now before moving forward from over here, I would like you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's jump into the video without any further ado now, shall we? First step, you want to go to KeyBank login, and once you're over here, click on where it says KeyBank's credit mortgage account. Once you click on the first link, it'll take you to its official website. Over here, you want to click on sign on. Click on where it says forgot my password. It'll take you to its password reset page. And over here, choose if you have a personal or a business account. I have a personal, so I'm going to go on personal and enter your user ID over here and then enter your social security number. Click on next. And it's going to ask you for some more information. And after it verifies that this account belongs to you, it'll take you to the page where you guys can enter your new password. So that's how this works. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.